Though Rani Mukherjee hasn't been away from the scene for more than a year and a half, Ayya is already being touted as her comeback. Directed by first-timer Sachin Kundalkar and produced by Viacom 18 along with Anurag Kashyap, let's see what Ayya has to offer. Meenakshi Deshpande, played by Rani Mukherjee, is an average middle-class Maharashtrian girl who's a daydreamer. More so, she's a filmy daydreamer. She hopes to find herself a tall, dark and handsome man and also elope with him. Well, for once, Meenakshi's dreams come true when she's working in a college as a librarian and she comes across Surya, a fellow art student, and falls for him. She tries to muster up enough courage but does not happen to speak with him. She is not able to approach Surya and all the time is wasted until a point in time comes where she is set to get engaged with someone else. All the waiting to speak with Surya and all the pressure that comes to Meenakshi from her family, which comprises of her antique-loving father, a very hyper mother, the jobless, almost illiterate brother and the very loud but blind grandmother, leads to Meenakshi saying Ayya one too many times and probably forms the rest of the story. Rani Mukherjee is back, and how? It looks like this queen is back to claim her throne in Bollywood. She portrays the role of Meenakshi almost effortlessly, getting her accents in Hindi, Marathi and Tamil spot on. Actor Prithvi Raj could kill us just by his brooding. It's also supported well by Subodh Bhave, who plays the role of Madhav. Some comic moments, some authentic setups and very well done background score adds to the charm. Music by Amir Trivedi is also a winner. What comes across as a delightful spoof, or at least what the audience had expected from the funny trailer, turns out to be nothing but an endless saga of overreacting, dramatic Maharashtrian characters. An ace performer like Prithvi Raj is reduced to nothing but an eye candy. The brilliant performance by Rani Mukherjee is wasted since her smell-sensitive character of Meenakshi comes across as nothing but a sniff dog towards the end of the movie. Director Sachin Kundalkar looks almost uninterested, perhaps visionless, by the time Ayya even reaches the interval, let alone the climax. The sniffathon that Ayya is, it makes us say it's probably a dish that probably smells good but tastes repulsive. We at Rajshri.com give it 2 stars.